Hello, grade 6. This is your science teacher, Sarah Dias, and today we will start with Unit 1, Static Electricity. But before we started with this unit, I want to tell you what is electricity. Electricity is the flow of electric charge. Look at this battery. The charge, the current, move from positive charge to negative charge flow. Look, the negative charge, flow of the negative charge. Okay, now let's see what is static electricity. Static electricity is the build-up of an electric charge on the surface of an object. It can cause materials to attract or repel. What this mean? Look at these experiments and let's know what is static electricity. At the beginning, get a balloon and wrap it with a piece of wool. Prepare paper strips. Then hold the wrapped balloon next to them. Look, what's happened? The paper strips attract to the balloon. This is what we called static electricity. Wrap the next balloon with piece of wool. Then move it near the stem of water. Observe what happens. The water will attract to the balloon. This is what we called it static electricity. When we wrap a balloon with a piece of wool, the balloon becomes negatively charged and the piece of wool positive charge. Opposite charge attract. Look, they are attract. Balloon will attract the piece of wool when they are placed next to each other. Similar charge repel the two repelled balloon. Look, negative charge with negative charge repel the two repelled, that because they have the same charge. They are repel, but with a wood they are attract because they are the opposite charge. Both type of charges, the positive and the negative charge, will be attract, so that the charged balloon attract paper strip when it move near the strips and the wrapped balloon. There are two types of charge: negative charge and positive charge. When we wrap a balloon with a piece of wool, we charge the balloon with a charge. We charge it. We make this object as negatively charged and the piece of wool positively charged. So opposite charge attract. Look, the negative charge and positive charge attract to each other. But the similar charge repel. The negative charge with negative repel. Positive with positive repel. Okay. Method of charging an object. The first method, charging by friction. When we wrap two uncharged objects, look, we have a plastic and a wool. This is plastic and wool. These two objects doesn't contain a charge. When we wrap the plastic rod with a piece of wool, the piece of wool will be positive charge and the plastic will be negative charge. This is the first method of charging. Method 2. Charging by conduction. Look at this object. This object contains negative charge. When a charged object, this is a charged object, touch another object, so the charge, look, the negative charge in this object will transfer all the negative charge will transfer to the rib. So the non-charged object will has the same charge of the charged object. This is negative and this is negative. Okay. Method 3. Charging by induction. In this method, objects do not touch. Look at the picture. The object contains both charges, negative and positive. When we put an object that contains negative charge, the object doesn't touch. This object contains negative charge, so all the positive charge will attract to the negative charge, and all the negative charge will repel, so and return to the natural state, so an object will be positive charge, so the object will be the overall positive charge is introduced on the near edge of the other object. Okay, my student, this is our lesson for today. If you have any question, you can send it to me and I will reply, and goodbye.